Your Excellency, you sound you sound like you make governance seem too easy. I'm beginning to wonder if you have any challenges with being a governor. But I know you have the opposition on your back. And
yes.
One of the things they recently accused you of is, I think, 183 billion naira local council funds that they said you claim to put into infrastructure, but there's nothing to see about it. But yet you talk about increasing the infrastructure deficits or reducing the deficit by about 40%.
Yes. That is why I said, no matter what I tell you now, go and fact check it. Do you understand what I'm saying? You know, they said, or whatever they could say, the EFCC came. I said, go there and look for it now. Go and check. They came and checked one by one. They went everywhere. Even when one of my commissioners and the people that they went, the people were saying, maybe they said this guy did not build this bridge. Maybe they said he did not do this, he did not do that, and all that. See, the opposition, they were embarrassed by our achievement. They could not stand it. They had their own opportunity. They did not do it. Listen, my own time as I came in, as a governor, was good. Immediately they cancelled the subsidy, more money start coming in. And I'm happy about that. So, if the federal government doesn't have any option, then to give what is due to the state. So we get more money. So it's up to the governor to utilize it. And I'm utilizing my money very well to develop my state.
That's beautiful.
And they have a problem with that.